In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Robinhood to TradingView in 2025. Now, it's important to note right from the start that as of 2025, Robinhood is not directly supported as a broker within TradingView's official panel. This means you can't connect them for live trading directly inside TradingView. However, don't worry, there are still ways to work around this limitation to make the most of both platforms. Let's dive in and explore how you can effectively use these tools together. First, let's consider the manual connection method. This is a straightforward approach where you'll use both TradingView and Robinhood side by side. Begin by opening TradingView on one screen and then the Robinhood app or web version on another screen. This setup allows you to monitor both platforms simultaneously. Next, you'll want to create matching watch lists. This means replicating your list of desired stocks and assets from Robinhood over to TradingView. Doing this helps you streamline your analysis and decisions without having to juggle between different lists. Once your watch lists are mirrored, analyze your investments using the advanced charting tools on TradingView. When you're ready to execute a trade, simply switch over to the Robinhood platform and place your order manually. This method gives you the power of TradingView's analysis tools combined with Robinhood's trading capabilities, even without a direct link between them. Now, if you're looking for a slightly more automated approach, you can explore some third-party tools. Options like Traders Post, AutoView, and Pine Connector have surfaced as potential bridges between TradingView and Robinhood. It's worth taking the time to research these services to see if they meet your trading needs. However, bear in mind that these tools are not official TradingView partners, and they do come with certain risks. According to Quant VPS, these could include security vulnerabilities and non-official API usage. Before diving into this route, and it's crucial to weigh these risks and understand the implications fully. Make sure any solution you choose aligns with your security and trading strategies. Finally, let's discuss what you can do instead. TradingView does support a list of brokers that can be directly integrated. Take a moment to visit the Products menu or the Trading panel within TradingView to identify brokers that offer seamless integration. This could potentially simplify your trading process if you're open to diversifying your broker relationships. Additionally, another useful feature to take advantage of is TradingView's alerts. You can set up alerts for specific securities that interest you. When those alerts are triggered, you can manually log into Robinhood to execute your trades. This method ensures that you don't miss out on important trading opportunities and allows for a more hands-off approach when monitoring the market. In summary, while direct integration isn't possible, these strategies enable you to harness the strengths of both TradingView and Robinhood effectively.